Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Everand app. You click on settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Everand app. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.